Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many operations on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve too many operations on Facebook, here we go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook app. After that you can click on for stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.